Hey everybody, Mr. Piercy here again, taking a look at the second part of the quiz that really seemed to give everybody a hard time, and that was the proof. Forgive the overhead announcements, they're working on the PA systems, but how do we complete the proof with the information that has been provided for us? This one, we're taking the information that we have given, and I'm going to say that they're giving me one thing here, so I'm going to use that information. I'm going to say segment MN is congruent to segment PQ, and the reason why I'm saying that is it's given information. Next, we're going to take the other segment that was given to us, so I'm going to say segment MQ is congruent to segment NP, and again, the reason I'm saying that is it's given to me. Now, they're marking those on the diagram, showing me that they're given to me. What they're not marking that I need to be able to recognize when I see it is that this segment from N to Q for one triangle is the same segment from Q to N on the other triangle. Because if we look at the way it's named, we have NQ and then we have QN. So that's why I'm naming it that way in my segment for step 9. And the reason why I can say those are congruent to each other, even though they're not marked that way, is that's the side is shared between both triangle, and that's known as the reflexive property of congruence. So now I can say I have a side, I have a side, and I have another side. So I can conclude that triangle MNQ must be congruent to triangle PQN by the side, side, side congruence postulate. Or if you just say side, 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 I would be okay with that. But that seemed to really cause a lot of problems on the quiz. I was seeing some really interesting answers from people that didn't understand what they were doing on the proof. So I hope this helped clear up a little bit of misunderstanding about what we're doing on the proof for this particular quiz. You're going to be offered a makeup question very similar to this, where you're going to have to, again, fill in the blanks for the proof. But if you have any questions before you do that about anything that you've seen in this video, please let me know.